Hello everyone! Today we will be making fried chicken, breast with grinded tortillas. Right now I am cutting the chicken breast, so it will all fit into the pan. And now I'm seasoning it with complete seasoning, Maggi, and salt. Then we'll mix it all together. Now we will crunch our tortilla shells into pieces so it can fit into the blender. And now to blend. Then we put the remains in a bowl and start to heat up our oil. Then we dip the chicken into tomato sauce, then the blended tortillas, and we will repeat this process with the rest of the chicken. Then when your oil is finally hot enough, we can start to fry the chicken. And once one side is finished frying, we can flip the chicken and fry the other side. And when it's fully fried on both sides, you take it out of the oil and place it on your plate. Then garnish with spinach and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time!